Model 1500 double shaft shredder work display can be used for processing iron barrels, packing boxes, packing barrels, washing machines, refrigerator shells, pipe fittings, PE pipes, car tires, biological straws, garden waste. The knife body can be selected according to the particle size of the crushed object. The thickness of the shredder knife is divided into 15 mm, 20 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm, 75 mm, and 100 mm. The shredder knife is a single claw knife body. If you need a double claw knife body or a multi-claw knife body, you can customize it separately.